all of us know that India is filled with so many rituals that we Indians are not even aware of the entire set of rituals that are present in this particular country. So let me touch upon simple rituals like birthday. If you look at birthday, you're automatically inclined to purchase a cake, right? You're not inclined to purchase pasta, right? You don't purchase pasta, put some candles and blow it. You don't do that. You find it funny. You don't purchase a big pizza, put candles, the person blows it and then you consume pizza. You don't do this. Immediately you are reminded of a cake. And that is how the cake industry is surviving, because of birthdays. As a brand manager or as a marketeer, you need to find ways to get yourself associated with this particular ritual. So, for a very long time, during our era of the, when we were 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, at that time, gifting was all about giving a nice flashy greeting card. A nice card from Archie's Gallery. When e-commerce was not there, Archie's Gallery was the king of that particular segment. Care of address was Archie's Gallery. Pick up a royal card which costs a bomb, gift it to your loved ones. That used to be the culture. So what did Titan do it? It started getting itself into this particular culture named birthday. So they have projected in their ads, they have projected gifting a watch as a very, very innovative way of telling that person that, you know what, I really love you. Can be anyone, your wife, your mom or anybody. Gift a watch and surprise them. So Titan positioned itself as a gifting solution and they wanted to get associated with a ritual. So the advantage of getting associated with a ritual is you are a part of the continuous wheel which is running. Ritual keeps running continuously on a daily basis. Once you get associated with this particular ritual, then this will start pulling you. Acha, aajao, Titan watches, aajao. Keep coming in. So you are a part of this particular revolution. Ritual keeps, it's a circular phenomenon. It keeps happening again and again, again and again, again and again. So if you are penetrating it, so the Titan watches are pulled into this particular circle. Good for your sales. And Titan saw a spike in its sales when it has projected itself as a gifting solution during the birthday times. So you must have seen Dairy Milk as well, right? All of a sudden, in between, it started positioning itself as another sweet. Kuch meeta ho jaye. That was their tagline. Why? Because they want to get associated with a ritual. Diwali, Janmashtami, that is the time when sweets, all sorts of sweets are in big business. Because we see exchange of sweets as a respectable gesture. So once Dairy Milk gets associated with this particular circular thing which keeps happening on a aggressive basis, that's it. The sales keep running in. So that's the advantage for a marketeer if his brand is getting associated with a particular ritual. Clear?